In this tutorial, we are building a journey where a new Airtable record will create a Mailchimp subscriber. So let's start. Select Airtable as a trigger. Then choose New Record as trigger event. Select Existing Connection and click on Link an Account. Now we have to add table-specific data. For app ID, click on the link in the description. Then select our product. And from URL, copy the app ID. Get the table name from the Airtable. For sample record ID, go to the table, select a cell and right-click on it. Click on Copy Record URL. Paste it. Remove unnecessary part. Now in steps, we have to add a new subscriber in Mailchimp. For that, select Mailchimp. Next, select Add Subscribe Member as action. Again, select an existing connection and click on Link an Account. Next, select List. Add email address using Airtable App Data. We are now ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. Now let's check the output. Go to Airtable. Add a new record. Next, go to our journey to check the execution. Yes, our journey is executed successfully. Now go to Mailchimp. We can see a new record with subscriber name and email. In this way, we can create an automation journey to add new Mailchimp subscriber when a new record is added in Airtable. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.